Hi, this is Dr. Baby Shalini, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In this lecture, we are going to see about feedback topologies. So, actually, there are four types of feedback topologies. They are current series feedback amplifier, voltage series feedback amplifier, current shunt feedback amplifier, and voltage shunt feedback amplifier. So in the last video we have seen about the different feedback methods or the standard feedback methods used in transistors. So based upon that we are having four corresponding feedback topologies. So the first type of feedback amplifier is voltage series feedback amplifier. Now look at the diagram. In this diagram, the input Vs, next to input Vs, we are having the mixing network, and before the load resistance RL, we are having the sampling network. So in the name voltage series, the first part voltage corresponds to the sampling network, and the second part series corresponds to the mixing network. So the mixing network is a series network, which means the feedback circuit is connected in series with the input, and at the output end we are having voltage which is shunt from the sampling network. So the circuit is placed in a shunt with the output, and it is connected as series with respect to the input signal, and this configuration is called as voltage series feedback amplifier. The next is current series feedback amplifier. So in this circuit, both the mixing network and the sampling network are connected in series with respect to input and output. And the next is current shunt feedback amplifier. So in this, current means for the sampling network. So the feedback circuit is placed in series with the output, and it is connected as parallel with respect to the input. The next circuit is voltage shunt feedback amplifier. So here the feedback circuit is placed in shunt with respect to output, and it is also connected to shunt with respect to input. And this circuit decreases the input and output impedances. So finally we are having the advantages and disadvantages of feedback topologies. So the advantages of having feedback topologies is it improves the stability gain of the circuit by providing negative feedback. So when comparing positive and negative feedback is the best one. And the input resistance can be increased by selecting the proper configuration. So always, for better performance of the amplifier, its input resistance should be larger and its output resistance should be smaller. And the next advantage is it reduces the noise and distortion by using a negative feedback. The drawbacks of these network topology amplifiers are it increases noise and distortion when we are having positive feedback. Also, the use of feedback reduces the gain of the amplifier, and it has an increased output gain for current series and current shunt feedback amplifiers. Thank you.